Hey, what's up everyone? Have you heard the sky trumpet sounds? I know I have. Many of us have. The strange booms, the sky trumpets, the strange sounds from the sky. They're calling them the sounds of heaven. There's been no shortage of them this year as well. If you hear them, let me know in the comment section below. So, I'm going to show you in this video the latest reports of the mysterious humming sounds and trumpet sounds from the sky. So the next time you hear any sound, try to record it. You can also post it and send it to the Strange Sounds page. As if it's not natural, human, or harmless, they said it must be the return of Jesus or the work of Satan or an insidious government conspiracy, the beginning of the New World Order. Maybe it's a message from alien-like beings. Maybe it's a test run of Project Bluebeam or mind control attempt by HAARP. There's so many theories, and none of them have boiled down to an exact answer.
I don't know where this sound's coming from. It's a foggy day.
I've heard that sound before.
I don't know where this sound's coming from. Right above me.
I've heard that exact sound, that rumbling. Let's check out the one from Elk Grove, California.
What was that?
I've heard the booming myself. This noise here
Hey.
you can hear it sounds like chanting, but kind of like an electronic chanting. Lots of these sounds being heard around this world. Humming noises, San Antonio, Texas, January 20th. There's a compilation video right there. And then weird noises from Widnes, UK, and trumpet noises in the United States, January 16th, January 15th in Warsaw, Poland, Mississippi on January 12th, in Biloxi, Mississippi. Creepy sounds of the Peruvian Amazon forest. There's a video there. Mysterious sounds from the Aurora Borealis video. Horns in the sky in Denton, Texas. Loud blasts and sirens. Baghdad, Iraq. Terrifying strange sounds, January 6th. Strange animal sounds in Huntsville, Texas that no one can explain. And then mysterious sounds from Lakewood, Colorado, January 4th. Mysterious sounds over the United States. Some of these strange creatures and interdimensional being type sounds. Biblical sky, red sky, and Jesus trumpet sounds. That's the title of the video, January 3rd, 2020. Odd sounds coming from the UK coast, January 3rd. Strange sounds, San Antonio, January 2nd. HAARP noise in the sky over USA, January 2nd. Odd continuous sound over UK, January 1st, and more. If you're interested, and send more to the Strange Sounds Twitter page. This guy said he's hearing strange howling, animal howls.
January 4th, 2020. Hear these weird howls. Been hearing this for the past 2 hours. I'm walking back.
There's also an orb there.
From my place here to the garage over there. It's dark. But listen to these howls.
He said he's hearing howls, and he can't figure out where they're coming from or what they are. So I've definitely been there. I'm going to do another video very soon on this. Peace and much love. I will try and leave the link below for you if you'd like to check out this particular page. Peace and much love. Signing out. My link's below if you'd like to show me support. I love you all.